up in one of them old farm towns where they hit it hard till the sun goes down. Nobody really seemed to care that we were living in the middle of nowhere. We just figured that's how it was, and everybody else was just like us, soaking in the rain, baking in the sun. Don't quit till the job gets done. That's the only way I know. Don't stop till everything's gone. Straight ahead and never turn around. Don't back up, don't back down. A full throttle, wide open. You get tired and you don't show it. Dig a little deeper when you think you can't dig no more. That's the only way I know.
That old red dirt, the first thing you learn is you don't get nothing that you don't earn. Humble pride I grew up on. You find out just how bad you want it.
The sun in our eyes and backs to the fences. We didn't know the odds were against us. Hit the wall, smoking and spinning. Still wasn't thinking about nothing but winning. That's the only way I know. Don't stop till everything's gone. Straight ahead and never turn around.
Don't back up, don't back down.
A full throttle, wide open. You get tired and you don't show it. Dig a little deeper when you think you can't dig no more. That's the only way I know.
Maybe there's another path that'll get you there a little bit faster, but I'm sticking with the one inside of me.
That's the only way I know.
Don't stop till everything's gone.
Straight ahead, never turn around.
Don't back up, don't back down. A full throttle, wide open. You get tired and you don't show it. Dig a little deeper when you think you can't dig no more. That's the only way that's the only way I know. Don't stop till everything's gone. Straight ahead and never turn around.
Don't back up, don't back down.
A full throttle, wide open. You get tired and you don't show it. Dig a little deeper when you think you can't dig no more. That's the only way I know.
That's the only way I know.
That's the only way I know.
The only way I know.
Oh, get on it one time.
It could be a slow song playing on the radio. It could be a picture of a place you love or some memory that you hold. It doesn't matter what it is if it gets you where you wanna go. It could be a jet plane flying through the blue sky. It could be a weekend walking on the wild side. It could be a candlelight with emerald eyes or a single red rose. It doesn't matter what it is if it gets you where you wanna go. If you wanna go back, if you wanna move on, if you wanna get lost, if you wanna go home. If there's a will, then there's a way to get there. If you wanna stay close, if you wanna go far, go on ahead and follow your heart. One thing I know is where I'll go somewhere. It could be a cold beer, talking to an old friend. It could be a mama's house and how it hasn't changed one bit. It could be a silent prayer to the man upstairs that lightens up your soul. It doesn't matter